Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about cartridge filter for Grindmaster part number 20,000. The motor for Blodgett part number 20,000 is a direct replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It is a 1/3 HP 115V 60 Hz single-phase motor with a 5/8 diameter shaft. The motor has an open enclosure and is designed to replace the original motor in Blodgett ovens. It features a thermal overload protector and comes with mounting hardware. The motor is designed to provide reliable performance and long life in commercial kitchen applications. It is UL listed and CSA certified for safety and reliability. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It would fix any issues related to the motor, such as a lack of power or an inability to turn on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the access panel from the back of the oven and locate the motor mounting bracket. 3. Remove any screws or bolts that are holding the old motor in place and remove it from the oven. 4. Place the new motor into position and secure it with screws or bolts if necessary. 5. Connect the wiring harness to the new motor, making sure all connections are secure and tight. 6. Replace any other components that were removed during installation, such as fan blades or fan guards if applicable. 7. Restore POW. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.